Hi, I'm Jeff Franklin with FC Tucker Realtors, jeffsells.com. Today we're going to see 4759 Donington. This is a one-owner, pristine ranch. Let's take a look. I really enjoy this L-shaped entertaining group, and the entertaining island is perfect for guests. There's a walk-in pantry, recent appliances, and beautiful views of the yard. This pantry is as big as a bedroom. There's a dedicated walk-in utility room that has a 2023 furnace, recirculating hot water here that's brand new, and room for extra storage. The secondary bedrooms are light-filled. This one has 2 closet spaces. The primary suite has a cathedral ceiling, there's a walk-in dressing room, and the spa bath has a soaking tub. On a gorgeous day like today, you could just live on this screen patio. Plus, they chose this lot. It was upgraded, and it's at the end of a cul-de-sac. This backyard feels like a little park reserve. They have beautiful mature trees, it's very flat, and a beautiful garden space. Thanks for touring Donington. Again, I'm Jeff Franklin, FC Tucker Realtors, jeffsells.com. Bloomington's best address for addresses.